Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to derive the equation for the vector projection of B onto A. Let's turn our attention to the diagram on the left. In this diagram we have the vector OA, which is A, and we have the vector OB, which is B. We also have the angle AOB, which is equal to theta, and we also have the angle OCB, which is equal to 90 degrees. It's also important to note that the length OB has the magnitude of B, and because the angle AOB is theta, then the magnitude of O to C is the magnitude of B times cos theta. Now that this information is out of the way, let's turn our attention to the information on the right. The dot product of the vectors A and B is the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B times cos theta. That's going to mean that the magnitude of B times cos theta is the dot product of the vectors A and B over the magnitude of A, and this is a scalar quantity. Also, the unit vector is the direction vector V over the magnitude of V. This vector over here has a magnitude of 1 and it's going in the direction of V. This is very important to note. Based on all of the information that we've obtained, it is clear that the vector projection of B onto A is the magnitude of B times cos theta, which is a scalar quantity, which we see to the left, multiplied by the unit vector, which has the direction A, and that is over the magnitude of A. Okay, so what we are saying is go in the direction of A by the amount, the magnitude of B times cos theta. Now remember that the magnitude of B times cos theta is equal to the dot product of the vectors A and B over the magnitude of A. So in this equation, we replace this with the dot product of the vectors A and B over the magnitude of A. This is still a scalar, and we multiply it by the unit vector, which is going in the direction of A. Okay? And from here, we can simplify further. At the end of everything, the vector projection of B onto A is going to be equal to the dot product of the vectors A and B over the magnitude of A squared, which is a scalar quantity, multiplied by the direction vector A. In terms of the image to the left, the vector projection of B onto A would look like this green vector over here, and we can clearly see it has the magnitude of B times cos theta. This green vector is clearly going in the same direction as the vector A. You can see that they have exactly the same slope. So this is how to derive the vector projection of B onto A. If you have any questions related to this video, please leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, make sure you are a subscriber on this channel. For more interesting maths content, visit mathematics.proofs on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.